everyone, welcome back to this another video. As you can see, when I open Microsoft Words, this is the features that you can see. This is here, home icon, new, when we want to create a new document, and also this is a blank document is where I'm going to focus on, because I'm going to show you how to create and also edit a blank document. Also, you open it, you click here on a blank document. After opened here, you can see a lot of features which are named here. Here is to save. When you click on it, it will go to save automatically to Google Clouds or any other platform that you want to save it automatically. This is an icon of save. You can use it by clicking on Ctrl S on the keyboard. This is an undo icon, and this is a redo icon. If you try to progress here, you can see document number 1 -word, which means that this is a name of a default name of this document that we are creating. This default is created automatically. As you can move forward, here you can see a search bar, which means that it is on the top center. It is used for finding the commands or settings, even or help. Example, if I type here table, you can see and click enter, you can see you have a table of content. For example, if I click on it here, you can see there is a table of content, but because of I didn't select anything, but my document is still blank, I can see nothing from there. Let me delete it. Ctrl Z. And if we can progress, here you can see icon of minimizing. Here, restore down, and for exiting icon. If we try to move forward, this is a ribbon of tabs. This ribbon of tabs, here we have some first one for file, for saving, open, and a print document. If I click here, you can see it's going to help me by saving document. And this is a home tab, is where I am. It is basic editing. This is most used. We can move forward. This is webs PDF. It can be used to save document in PDF or webs form. This is also useful for Android. This insert icon, as you can see, is if you click on it, you can see tables, pictures, shapes, icon, models, 3D models, smart art, everything that you can insert on this blank document are based here. And also draw. On a draw, there is a lot of kind of colors, drawing tools, stencils. This is a ruler, format background, a lot of things that are here. But also, there is a lot of ribbon tabs. As you can see, is aligned here, but mostly we will be using home tab, insert, and also layout. This is mostly used, and also this file for saving document. For this home tab, as you can see, is the most important tab for beginners. We can see there is a clipboard. On this one, we have a paste icon. This is a format painter. This is a copy icon. This is a cut icon. But you can, if we progress further, there is a font here. For example, here we have this font, which is pick a new font for the text, and here it is going to size on the text. For example, if I click here FF and select it and increase here by 22, you see it is increasing, and also this one is increasing the size. As you can see, I'm increasing. This is decreasing the size of it, and this one is going to change the color. For example, you see this is black. If I select all and I click on it, it's going to be in red color. But for this one, it's going to highlight it depending on the color that I'm using. Let me select all and I click on it. You can see that it is in a yellow color. As beginner, we'll be using this front icon. For example, if I click Jackson color, this is in red color. If I wanted to change in a black color, I click here, I select it all and come here, automatic. This is in black color. But if we click here for changing size, I can select here and decrease. This is up, this is decreasing, increasing, decreasing. If I click here, I'm decreasing it, and if I click here, I'm increasing it, and if I click here, it is underlined. And if you want to undo, you click here. For body, you click here. This is already bodied. For italic, you click here. This is in italic. And if you want to undo, you click on it. And if I try to progress a little bit, you can see here is align center, align left. This align left, align center, align right, and also justify the document. For example, if I want to align left, I click here. Do you see this one to align right? To align left, I click here. To align center is here, and to justify is here. The text is justified, but you can see that is nothing much was put on it. And if you see this icon here, this icon is for numbers, bullet library. This is for numbering library. This is for current lists, and more features which are on here. I have a sample of a text that I'm going to show you how to use these tools of aligning left, aligning center, aligning right, and also justify. So let me paste it. Ctrl V. As you can see, this text is justified. Because once you click here, you can see the icon is selected, and I can select all. Ctrl A, and I click here. You can see it is aligning left. If I click here, it is aligning center, and if I click here, it is aligning right. And this is for justifying. And if I wanted to put a number here, for example, number 1, number 2, number 3, I'm not going to put. When you are working with Microsoft, you are not going to type it manually. You are going to select all, and they come here on numbering, and just put. You see, it is going to number it automatically. And also, if you click here, it is going to align it. Also, you can see it is aligning center. But for official document, this numbering is not advised. So, as you can see here on the top, we have a ruler. On the left side, also we have a ruler. If I click here, I'm going to push it a little bit. This is well aligned, and it is justified. And also you can see it is very good. It has a good look. And if we want to increase, this is for A4 paper. We can increase it from here. You can come here, as you can see, and try to increase it from left to right. And if I click here, I can also increase the size of it, as you can see. And also if we come here on the left corner, on this ruler, can also increase the size of it. Do you see? You can increase it, decrease it as you want. And if we are going to scroll down, you can also increase from here. You can see, increase, also decrease, depends on what you want. As you are seeing in these features on Microsoft Word, and you see we are on the Home tab. As you can see, guys, here we have a dictate icon. It can you can use it for dictating documents. You can use voice typing, auto content, and voice commanding for more hands of experience. Suppose that you have a large document or documents that you wanted to type, but you don't have enough time, and it is an official document, but also you want to type it easily, so you can use this dictate icon to help you to save the time. Let me show example. Trending technology. This is the title. It says, let me increase the size of it and the body, and I can come here on align left, number one, and as I told you before, I can align left like this, and use this icon to type fast. Let me click on it. As you can see, trending technology refers to the modern digital and innovation that are changing the way we live, work, and communicate today. These technologies are becoming popular because they solve problems faster, improve efficiency, and improve life more convenient. Examples of trending technologies include artificial intelligence, cloud computing, mobile application, and a smart device. Understanding these technologies is important because they are now used in schools, businesses, hospitals, and everyday lives. Number two, let me click here. One of the most influential trending technology is artificial intelligence, which allows machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. AI is used in smartphones, online customer support, financial recognition, and even in cars. Another important technology is cloud computing, which allows people to store data online instead of using physical storage devices. This makes it easy to access files from anywhere and improve collaboration between users. Number three, learning about trending technology helps individuals prepare for future careers and adapt to a fast-changing digital world. Many jobs today require basic knowledge of technology, and a new career are becoming created because of these innovations. By understanding trending technology, students and professionals can improve their skills and stay competitive and use technology responsibly to create positive change in society. Guys, you can see, let me decrease it. You can see, you can write a whole text in a few minutes. What you're going to do, you're going only to adjust it depending on what you want. But as using this dictate icon will help you to limitate the time of typing and also using other kind of tools that's on the keyboard. But you will only read it, and Microsoft Word will write what you are reading. Let me do a recap on what we were covering. And for deleting all, selecting all. To select all, Control A, and I can click on space or delete. Then the text is gone. And this is a features on where you can edit or type or modify a content. This is a place where you can edit. Comment view. As you can see, yeah, this is a comment view, also editing. And also we have, this is where this is a new empty Microsoft document here, because you can type it in, you can type what you want, change format, or also you can find every essential or tools are visible and also still active. At the end of the day, when you're finishing with your document and you want to save it, you come here and you choose where you can save it. You can see there is a lot of features here, but for our sides, we're going to cover it in the next video. I will show you how to use this ruler on top and also this ruler on the left corner, but also how to deal with other features in Microsoft. But I can't go without showing you how to do some things like insert. You can see, if I come here and I want to insert a photos, I come here, insert, and the picture device, and I'm going to select it in the local disk user. Let me select this one. For example, let me insert download. Let me insert this one, and you can see I've already inserted this one. Guys, you can see that this is a photo, but I want to crop it. If I click here, I can't crop it, but I'll show you in the next part how to crop a photo, how to size it, how to change it. But stay tuned, I'm going to show it to you in the next video, part 2 of Microsoft Excel. If you found this video very helpful, please thumbs up. We're gonna catch up in the next video in part 2 of Microsoft Excel tutorials. I thank you very much.